guys, and welcome back to another episode of Upcycling with me, Liana. Today I want to share with you some upcycling techniques with using oversized menswear shirts. So this is a piece of item which I figured a lot of you may. I have my own collection which was given to me as hand-me-downs and pieces which I have also purchased at Savers for only a few couple of dollars. So this is literally how big the bag is. Yeah, I'm excited to jump right into it. I'm hoping to create some fitted modern pieces which will fit the female figure. I found some inspiration images on Instagram. So what I want to try to recreate is some shirt dresses like this one here, and even try recreate a shirt top which is with an elastic bottom, which I think is super easy to recreate, and then try create some crop shirts. So let's jump right into it and I can do a little show and tell with you all.
Alright, so our very first thrift transformation menswear shirt is this polka dot print shirt. It's almost a medium sized menswear shirt. I only purchased this menswear shirt for only $8.
Now I have turned this shirt inside out. I'm wearing it back to front so that I can get an empty front without the button placket. And what I'm going to do is start drawing in a knee line for the neckline. Alright, so next we're just going to cut a new neckline, but before we cut the neckline for the front, this is our new front, we're just going to draw in a line of where we're going to cut. I'm just doing this by eye, but essentially that line here, that stitching line, will be where the new curve bit is. So let's just cut there. So that's the new neckline for the front. As for the sleeves, I'm going to cut at where I have marked it before, folding it in half again. I've marked in here where I want to shorten the sleeves. Just going to go ahead and cut across. Alright, so here I've folded the shirt in half. We're going to crop the bottom of the hem here. So I've drawn in a line here at where I want it to be shortened. I'm going to go ahead and draw a straight line for the new hem. Let's go ahead and cut the straight line. So that's the new hem shortened.
After cutting the hem of the shirt, we're going to go ahead and overlock all the edges of the new hem. Alright, next we're going to get the elastic and get the measurement so that it fits the size of our waist. And then after we got the measurement to make the elastic fit around our waist, we're just going to combine the two ends together and sew across. So here we have the elastic tuck in between the hem, and here I've folded up the hem at 3 centimeters, and we're just going to sew across right near the overlocked edge. Alright, so now I've attached the elastic to the bottom of the hem, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so here I've overlocked all the edges of the sleeve. After overlocking all the edges of the sleeve, here is just one side. I'm just going to go ahead and fold in at 1 centimeter and sew down that overlocked edge at 1 centimeter. And then we're going to do the other side of the sleeves and folding in at 1 centimeter and then sewing across again. Alright, so next we're going to add the bias binding to the top edge of the neck. after sewing down the overlock. End of my video tutorial today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. For those of you that found it helpful, I would recommend only the one thing. If you're trying to do the shirt dress, which is the last technique, I would recommend using a larger size shirt. The larger the better, because then it will create a better gathering around the waistband elastic. And so the more gathering it creates, the more streamlined your waistline will look, and the better it'll look. So yeah, that's my recommendation. That's all I have to say. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you liked watching the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.